The crispy squid rings are delicious dipped in a sour and fruity ginger hot sauce. Your guest cannot stop eating as long as some remain. Here are the ingredients for 4 people. You can find the list and other recipes on my website, cookingwithmorgane.com. To prepare the sauce, peel the ginger. Keep 5 grams. Put it in a mortar. Then add half a peeled garlic clove, 1 tablespoon of sugar, a pinch of salt. Crush these ingredients. Then add 1 teaspoon of hot pepper paste, 1 tablespoon of apple juice, 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Combine all together. To prepare the batter, sift 100 grams of white flour with 50 grams of cornstarch and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix all together. Then add 150 milliliters of water. Stir until you get a smooth batter. Then add half teaspoon of salt, some pepper, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Mix again. To prepare the squid rings, dry them with paper towels. Put them in a mixing bowl. Add a pinch of salt. Mix all together. Then put 50 grams of white flour. Mix again. The flour allows the batter to adhere to the squid rings. Heat the oil over high heat. To check its temperature, pour a few drops of butter. If they rise immediately to the surface, the oil has the right temperature, about 170 degrees Celsius. Check the squid rings to remove the excess flour. Dip them in the batter. Then fry them in the oil, about 1.5 minutes each side. Once golden, take them out and put them on paper towels. Enjoy these crispy squid rings without delay. You can also prepare them in advance and reheat them in the oven. Bon appétit! Thank you for watching and sharing my recipe. Rendez-vous in my next homemade dish video.